Hi, in this video I will share with you how to create a donut chart in Power BI. So this is the end result where it will able to do this. Now notice that it has changed. What has changed? When I click on this category stationery, it goes zoom in and take a look at drill down to look at it. So this is accomplished with this drill down mode. So let's just click here now. If without that, there is nothing. So without this, but with this, you can do that drill down effect. Okay, so how to do this from scratch? So we have a data set that is the product and the sales. Okay, so there is product and sales. So we're gonna load it into, we already loaded into the Power BI, and now let's just do insert a new one. Maybe it does not. Just cross it. So just delete the visual. Let's do it again one more time, and once you load it into it, you can take a look at the model, and it is related as the product is related to the products of the sales. Okay, and then I also created a category in the sales table using the related DAX function. Okay, so once I done that, I'll just go to insert a donut chart. In the donut chart, I would go for the category. Let's just drag it to the legend, and then the quantity sold into the values area. Let's drag it to values area. Okay, so at this point, if you click here, it would have this, and it also don't have the drill down feature. But as you drag the products over this, so it's now as a hierarchy, and you can use the drill down feature. So you can see that. Okay, so and then you can change some of the setting here. So for example, you can change the details label. You can change it to have a category and this. So in that case, you don't need the legend. Okay, as you can see that here, and drill down, and you have this, and you can also change the size of the label. So you might want to go bigger size. As for the title, you can go for this title here and change this here to, say, you just want to put a category sold, quantity sold by categories. So you can just put there sold by quantities, and you can make it alignment, make the size of the text bigger, and there are more things. Yeah, these are the things that you can change. Okay, and this is how you created a donut chart in Power BI. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. And thank Jesus for giving me the ability to share.